Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Gemini web version application in your Windows 11 or if you're using Windows 10 like application that you use in your PC. So to download and install the Gemini application, first you need to open the Gemini website, and if you are on your Chrome browser, you need to open this on Chrome browser and go to the right corner of the three-dot menu, and if you find the option called cast, save and share, you just need to go there, and here you'll find the option called install page as app. So just click on install page as app, and this will download or install the Google Gemini as an application. Just click on install, and now as you can see, Google Gemini has now opened as an application just like you used in a PC. So if I just close it, you can see the Google Gemini application on my desktop now. Now you don't have to go every time in your Chrome browser, and if you want to use Gemini, don't have to open any browser, just click the application and you can use it. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.